English Reading Practice, Exercise 40, Presentation Skills Course, Part 18 of 28. This is the intermediate level. Be sure to watch the introductory video to learn how to use synchronized reading. Just see the link in the description. So turn up the volume and read along at the same time as me. 3 reasons why you should turn up the volume. The first sign of maturity is the discovery that the volume knob also turns to the left, said writer Jerry M. Wright. We could put a different slant on that and say, the first sign of a good speaker is the discovery that the volume knob also turns right. Too many speakers deliver a presentation as if they are having a quiet chat in the corner of their favorite café. If you are in front of an audience, you need to project your voice. This means speaking at a much higher level than normal everyday conversation. Sufficient volume for a public speaker is the level of loudness at which the speaker's voice is clearly audible to all audience members, without straining or overwhelming them. In settings with background noise, like outdoor events or noisy indoor spaces, a speaker needs to raise their volume to compete with those sounds. Here are 3 reasons why increased volume is essential in your kit of presentation skills. 1. So everyone can hear your message clearly. What did he say? How disconcerting when members of the back row mutter and whisper this during a presentation. You need to up your volume level so everyone can hear your message clearly. If an audience has to strain to hear, you can be sure within a short time many will give up and their minds will take a walk. If you believe that what you have to say is important, then say it with power. Learn to project the voice. You do that by standing upright, filling the lungs with air, and speaking as if you were talking to the person at the back of the room. Just because you have a microphone in front of you doesn't automatically mean everyone can hear clearly. If you tend to mumble, a microphone can amplify mumblings very well. 2. So your message has impact. For your message to register on the minds of your listeners, you need to speak with enough volume to embed it in their minds. Something said powerfully is far more likely to be remembered than something said in a quiet voice, unless the speaker is using a quiet voice for effect. Increased volume is especially needed to get motivation from the audience. If you want your audience to get up after your presentation and take action, fire them up by speaking up. Volume helps convey enthusiasm and energy, essential for keeping the audience's attention, especially over longer presentations. 3. So you can establish credibility. A speaker who starts off with a chatty style, using the lower tones, is likely to soon send the audience to sleep. It can convey an insipid presence and can affect how seriously the speaker is taken. When you speak with power, you establish credibility. Why? Here is a person who believes in what they are saying, and they are not afraid to say it loud and clear. When you appear confident, your audience can immediately relax. An apologetic tone, on the other hand, generally invokes pity. A clear, audible voice projects confidence and authority, making the speaker appear more knowledgeable and trustworthy. In conclusion, turn up the volume. So, before your next presentation, why not practice in your private room, warn other family members, and rack up the volume. Learn to project your voice by training it so it becomes the natural way to speak before an audience, and add this to your presentation skills. Next, what to do before and after you open your mouth. Well, that's the end of the reading. Be sure to check the resources in the description below. And when you're ready, go to the next video in the Presentation Skills series. Has this video helped you? Then like, share, or comment now. Continually improve your English. Click the subscribe button, the bell icon, and then all.